What's up guys, Double A here again, and today I'm going to do something different. I'm going to show you how you can upgrade your memory on your Dell XPS 15 laptop. So if you want to go ahead and upgrade your memory, stick around and find out. First, you want to get a soft cloth or a towel to put under the laptop so when you're working on it you don't damage or scratch anything. You want to get a Torx T5 Screwdriver. You can find this at your local hardware store or at a local computer store. You will also need a small Phillips head screwdriver. You also want to get a small pry tool to pry the laptop open when you're done unscrewing it. And of course, you will need your memory. Now this step is really important. Make sure you get the right type of memory for your laptop. In this case, we're using DDR4 SODIMM 32 gigabyte kit from Crucial 2666. So that is the speed of the RAM. If you get the wrong speed, your laptop may not work right. So just make sure you get the right one. Alright, now that we have all the tools, let's get started. We're gonna go ahead and use the Phillips head screwdriver. So let's pop this cover open right here and let's get those out. Just be careful when you're doing this so you don't scratch anything. The screws that Dell uses in these are really soft and you don't want to strip the thread. I chose this screwdriver specifically because this way I can get more torque when I'm unscrewing without stripping the threads. Alright, so we got one out. Just be careful with this cover as well. Okay, now we have our two screws. I like to put them to the side to not lose them. And let's get to step two. All right, let's grab our T5 Torx screwdriver and let's get going. As you can see, there's quite a bit of T5 screws on this, and they're also soft threaded. So you want to be careful when you're unscrewing these as to not strip any threads. All right, so let's see. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 screws. Let's get going on this. As you've noticed, guys, I like to use both hands when I'm unscrewing this. This is basically to keep the screwdriver balanced so that we cannot strip the thread. Let's make sure that we keep all of our screws together. We don't want to lose any of these. I mean, if you do, you can still buy them, but it would be helpful not to do that. All right, so let's get to the next step. Let's grab our pry tool. Okay, want to be very careful. Just go along the edges here. Should pop right open, so just give it a little bit of force, not too much. And there we go. Let's put the cover aside. Now let's go ahead and gently take the old memory out. And let's go ahead and open up our new memory and put it in. Let's go ahead and put away the old memory so as not to get confused. And let's go and start putting in the new memory. There we go. Alright, now we have our two 16 gigabyte SODIMM DDR4 memory sticks in. Let's go ahead and put the cover back on. Alright, let's gently put the cover back on here. Make sure it kind of clicks into place. What I like to do, guys, is I like to go in reverse order. So what we're going to do first is we're going to go ahead and get these two Phillips screws in. To make things easier, I'm going to use this pry tool to hold the cover down while I put the two Phillips head screws in. You want to make sure you don't over tighten it. Okay. Now let's go and close this cover up. And we can get rid of these tools and put them to the side. All right, now let's grab our T5 Torx screwdriver and our screws that we have left over. Let's go ahead and put them back. What I like to do with these is just tighten them until they stop. You don't want to go any further. We don't want to damage the cover or the screws. All right, 2 more to go. All right, got that. And now we have our cover back on. Let's pop this laptop open and get our new memory and see how it works. All right, let's go ahead and turn on our laptop. Don't be alarmed if your laptop takes about 30 seconds to boot up. This is normal as the laptop is learning the new memory. You will get this alert that says, "Alert, the amount of system memory has changed." What you want to do here is hit continue. All right, looks like we got the laptop started. Let's go ahead and turn this on or log in. Okay. Okay, let's go and hit the Windows button. Go to Settings. Go to System. Let's make sure our memory's in there. Scroll down all the way to About. Okay, and as you can see right here, we have 32 gigabytes of RAM. So there you go, that was a fairly easy process. If you want to do this yourself, I would advise you to do it, but take all the necessary steps that I provided in this video and you should be just fine. Alright, now that's it for this video, guys. You guys take care and make sure you hit that subscribe button.